Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath single-family home in a well-established West Palm Beach neighborhood. This property features a practical layout with a comfortable screened front porch, perfect for enjoying morning coffee. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area with a tropical-style ceiling fan and plenty of natural light. The bathrooms feature glass shower enclosures and attractive tile work. The bedrooms offer ample space, and there's a dedicated laundry room for convenience. Outside, the property includes a storage shed, mature palm trees, and low maintenance landscaping. The driveway provides off-street parking. Located in a quiet residential area with easy access to shopping, dining, and major roadways.